let's grab weights for side raises. We're going to do more reps, so it's okay to go really light on these tonight. Feel free to get 2 big gulps of water. Stay hydrated, y'all. We're still burning fat. Burning fat, building that muscle. Sweating out toxins. All right, y'all ready? Okay, so I'm really strict on form on these. A lot of people like to go here, and that is very contraindicated on the shoulder. People who have trained like that over the years have shoulder issues, and we don't want that. If you are working through a shoulder injury, it's even better to go nice and strict, right? Okay, but we want to stay strict all the time. So I'm going to give you options. Option 1 is going to be here and just right here, like you're pouring something out of a cup. And we're not going too high, so our hands are going to be below the shoulders. So from the side, like this, and down. Okay, that's option 1. If that feels awkward, you can go here. Elbows are going to stay, so we're at a 90-degree box, and then you're just going to go like this. Elbows come in, elbows come up. So do what feels best for you. One should feel a lot more comfortable and like you can isolate the shoulders more. So just do what feels best for you, okay? We're gonna come up, down slow. Okay, remember leading with the elbows. So hands are gonna stay low, yes. Breathe in, nice, blow out. Big breath in, and blow out. Shh. We're gonna do 10 more. And squeeze up, beautiful, down slow. Make sure the hands don't start creeping into this, okay? Because that motion is very contraindicated on the shoulder. And if you're working through an injury, it's just gonna make it worse. But also, if you're not injured, you'll start developing issues. And we're gonna exhale. Shh. I lost count, so let's do 5 more starting now. And exhale. Shh. Big breath in. Blow out strong. Very good. Big breath in. Blow out. Okay, 1 more, and down slow. Slow, slow, slow. Excellent job. Okay, grab 2 big gulps of water. You're doing so good. Woo-hoo.